How to get paid using Shopify Point of Sale. Do you have a Shopify store and are thinking of using Shopify POS? Or maybe you already use Shopify Point of Sale but want to know how to accept payments. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about getting paid using Shopify POS. Keep watching to learn more. If you have a Shopify store, you can use Shopify POS to accept payments in person. Just like with online payments, there are a few different ways to do this. In this video, we'll cover the following methods for getting paid using Shopify Point of Sale: Shopify payments, cash on delivery, or manual payments. Let's get started. Shopify payments is the easiest way to get paid using Shopify POS. All you need is a Shopify account and you're ready to start accepting payments. With Shopify payments, you can accept credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay. Plus, there are no setup fees and no hidden costs. You only pay when you make a sale. To learn more about how to set up Shopify payments, click on the link below to get your account situated. Another option for getting paid is cash on delivery. With COD, your customers can pay for their orders with cash when they receive them. This is a great option if you're selling high-ticket items or shipping internationally. To learn how to set up COD payments, check out the Shopify help docs. The last method we'll cover is manual payments. With manual payments, you can take payment offline using methods like bank transfer or check. This is a great option if you're selling products or services that aren't typically paid for with credit or debit cards, like consulting services or custom orders. To learn how manual payments work, check out the Shopify POS help docs. That's it. Now you know all the different ways you can get paid using Shopify POS. If you would like help setting up Shopify Pay for the Shopify Point of Sale, feel free to reach out to our team by clicking on the link below.